as you. You're the one who can ignite